everybody, welcome back to another episode of Daves Garage. As always, we've got something very unique and special that we're going to be repairing for you today. This right here is a pretty cool car. The guy's got a bunch of door dings down the side of this. This is his baby, so it's a pretty nice new muscle car. But his wife parks next to him and she door dings him every day when she gets home from work. So he's got about 20 dents here, a few little scratches. So we're going to go through and remove all these dents for this gentleman here and get his car show quality ready.
Okay, so the first step of the process is I got in here and I removed the interior trim panel. This allowed me to gain access to the backside of the metal. Now, unfortunately on this car, there's some kind of brace that runs behind the metal, so all of this is double wall. So it's going to be a little trickier than I originally thought to get it out. We're still going to get it out from here. So we're going to get in here, get behind this brace with some of these paddle tools, and start prying these little dents out. When we get the dents out, we can sand a little bit and get the scratches out. Quite a few of these have like some scratches and paint transfer. So we're going to take care of all that for you too. So check it out. So this first pass, we got quite a few of the dents out. Made a few little high spots, just trial and error pushes. So we're going down now and kind of knocking down some of the high spots, and then we'll carry on this way and down the backside of the quarter panel. Doing every single one of these dents by hand. Everyone's very unique, so it's a lot of manual labor. But we can do it. We'll get it back to shape. Hey, thanks for joining me back on the other side of this vehicle. So this guy actually has a very nasty dent on this left quarter panel. Now the reason why it's so nasty, for one, it's about the size of a golf ball, maybe a little bit larger. It hit right on the top of the body line, which forced a lot of this metal out through the side. It's also right near the fuel door, so there's a lot of bracing. I won't be able to get the tool on this one. I'm going to have to glue pull this, remove this completely from the outside, hopefully without damaging the paint. So what we're going to do is start to do some glue pulling, start to do some body line contour work, and get this thing up flat. So you want to come on in and take a good look at this up close before we start. Now you're going to watch me slay this thing. Let's do it. Oh, you're back. So the first thing I'm doing is relieving some of the pressure on the damaged metal by hammering in some of the metal that got pushed out. So the reason why this is kind of weird is everybody always asks me, why are you hammering a car that's already dented? So a good analogy is if you have a cup of water that's filled to the brim and you throw a rock in it, the water's got to go somewhere. Same thing with this right here. When whatever impacted this vehicle hit here, it shoved metal out the side. The molecules kind of moved out of the way of whatever was impacting it. So you got to knock this down, and then we'll do the glue pulling next. Okay, so we hammered down a little bit of excess metal here. Now we're going to do some glue pulling from the top. I'm going to be real careful with this because I don't want to damage the paint. It's pretty tough metal right here in the body line. So I might have to go back and forth 2-3 times between pulling up, hammering down, to get it flat. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, Dent's all done, looks beautiful. I had a glue pull and hammered down about 50 times, but I think it looks really good. The customer will be very happy. I did notice that he's got another little small dent underneath the field door, so I'm going to take care of that before we leave. But other than that, I think this job turned out very well. The customer will be very pleased. If you like this video, stay tuned for more. As always, we're always fixing unique and exciting repair jobs. So thanks for watching Dave's Garage. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.